Hello and welcome to this series of bite-sized video tutorials designed to help you get started on the Arcware Cloud RT platform. In this series you'll learn how to register with Cloud RT and how to establish your first streaming project on the platform. Cloud RT is an online platform provided by Arcware. It's designed in a way to help people with all skill levels get their 3D products and experiences streaming around the world in just a few clicks. Arcware is working closely with digital content creators to develop Cloud RT, with the aim of making the most simple and inexpensive way to display 3D content via the web. For example, the pay-per-use feature of Cloud RT allows the user to have full control over their streaming expenses. Also, Arcware provides a downloadable web SDK for building your front end, and an Unreal Engine project to help newcomers to get a head start with pixel streaming. It goes without saying that there are hundreds of use cases for pixel streaming technology, from e-commerce to entertainment. Everyone can benefit from high-quality virtual content being accessible from any location on any device. So without further ado, let's proceed with the first step in getting set up on Cloud RT.